Jarvis, describe the scene.
Directly in front of you, on a light-coloured desk, there is a red and black box labelled JEDEL, a black remote control, and a light pink wallet with a triangular Guess logo. To the left of the box is a black Dell computer tower. Further back on the desk, you can also find a black computer keyboard and mouse.
How much is this?
I see a 200 dirham bill.
Hey Jarvis, what color is this?
The main colour of the object in the centre is red with white writing.
Hey Jarvis, how many keyboards are here?
I see one keyboard.
Where is the mouse?
The mouse is in front of you below.